Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramelized bananas. This simple treat is perfect as a dessert or a topping for your favorite breakfast. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients: ripe bananas, some butter, brown sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. You'll also want a good non-stick pan or a well-seasoned cast iron skillet to get that perfect golden brown finish. Let's get cooking. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the bananas. First, gently peel your ripe bananas. Then, slice them into rounds that are about 1/2 inch thick. It's important to keep your slices as uniform as possible so they cook evenly and caramelize beautifully. Remember, we want ripe bananas, but not overly soft ones, as they might turn mushy during the cooking process. This step sets us up for success. Next, we'll create the rich caramel base. Place your pan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter, allowing it to melt completely. Once melted, stir in 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a small pinch of salt. Continue stirring gently until the brown sugar fully dissolves into the butter, creating a beautiful, bubbly, and fragrant sauce. This is where all that wonderful caramel flavor begins to develop, so keep an eye on it. Finally, it's time to combine everything. Carefully place your banana slices into the bubbling caramel mixture in a single layer. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn a lovely golden brown and are tender. Once caramelized, remove them from the heat. These warm, sweet bananas are fantastic on their own or as a topping for ice cream, pancakes, or yogurt. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.